Morning and good afternoon, folks. It's about 1 o'clock maybe, I think. And we've got a northbound locomotive, folks. 1221 and ELS 502 have rolled north, folks. And I remember a couple of days ago, I think yesterday, they were in Green Bay, folks, this train. I do know 503 and 501 are somewhere north, actually, here. So, well, I know they were in Iron Mountain yesterday, so I'm not sure if maybe they are... I hear, folks. I do know that they headed north. They stopped just maybe before you got in Iron Mountain. There's like a couple crossings. They were at one of them, parked up for the evening. But we do get one of the day, folks. We get this train. These guys have been moving these ones, 1221, 502. So I'm not sure. Maybe 502 is. If 503 and 501 are waiting on these guys, they may be in Pembine as we speak. I don't know. Sorry, it is raining, folks, by the way. And there she is. Good to see you back, 1221. We missed you for a couple days. Look at that, folks. Sorry about the rain. It is drizzling, so my camera might get a little wet. Are you kidding me? Well, that's... Are you freaking joking me? Folks, maybe stay tuned for a moment. I don't want to say anymore.